Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating an app in the LinkedIn Developer Portal to get credentials. Record the client ID and the client secret securely in your environment. Configure one redirect URL that exactly matches your application callback address. Select the minimal required scopes, such as R Lite Profile and W Member Social, during app setup. Add a clear application description and logo so reviewers approve your app quickly. Keep secrets out of source control and use environment variables for safer deployments. Implement the authorization code flow by redirecting users to LinkedIn with your client ID. Request the authorization code and requested scopes, then capture the code at your redirect URL endpoint. Exchange the authorization code for an access token using your client ID and client secret securely on the server. Store the access token securely and monitor its expiry to refresh it when needed. Always validate scopes and revoke tokens on logout to maintain user security and compliance. Call LinkedIn REST endpoints with authorization, bearer plus your access token and headers. Use GET for reads and POST for writes, sending and receiving JSON payloads. Include versioned API paths and URNs when addressing profiles, shares, or organizations. Paginate results using start and count parameters and prefer count equals 50 for efficient batching. Inspect HTTP statuses such as 200 for success and 401 for expired tokens, then refresh tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.